Dear students, now the second part, very important question again. This type of question will be asked in the competitive exams also. So this question is very important. 2 women and 5 men can together finish a embroidery work in 4 days. So remember, this together kind of questions are there. कि मिलकर काम करने वाले क्वेश्चन की वो टाइप है. While 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken. क्या बोल रहे हैं? An embroidery work is there. कोई एम्ब्रॉयडरी का काम है. उस काम को पूरा करने के लिए to complete this task, 2 women and 5 men are working together on this task and they are completing the task in 4 days. While in the second case, when in place of 2 women 3 women work and in place of 5 men 6 men will work. Obviously हमने एक women बढ़ा दी, एक man बढ़ा दिया, तो टाइम क्या होगा? कम लगेगा. यहाँ 4 days से यहाँ क्या ले लिया? 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman along to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man. अब ये जो number of days दिए हुए हैं ये मिलकर काम करने के दिए हैं. We have to find out the time taken by single woman and single man. So whatever is the statement, find the time. That will be our statement. So let the time taken by woman is equal to 1 woman is equal to x days and time taken by 1 man is equal to y days. Right? So dear students, अब इसमें according to the question what they have given to us is in the first 2 women plus 5 men will complete the task in 4 days, and in the second case 3 women plus 6 men will take time only 3 days. एक increase कर दिया. This will be the condition. But this is not similar to pencil question or bat ball. In this question, what is the difference? एक women ने x days लिए, तो अगर x days में वो पूरा एक काम एम्ब्रॉयडरी का कंप्लीट करती है, तो 1 day में कितना काम कंप्लीट करेगी? मीन्स x days से हमें 1 day पे जाना है, ग्रेटर से स्मॉलर पे जाना है, तो ऑब्वियसली क्या किया जाता है? ये जो यहाँ है ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो क्या आ जाएगा? 1/x. राइट. सिमिलरली y days आर टेकन बाय 1 वर्क टू कंप्लीट 1 वर्क बाय 1 मैन. राइट. तो एक दिन में कितना कंप्लीट कर देगा एक आदमी? दैट विल बी 1/y. मीन्स जब भी ये वाला क्वेश्चन आए, the variables are going to put in the reciprocal form. This is the difference between this question and the bat ball question or pen pencil question, right? So remember this. So let us make the equation according to this. 2 women, for women we'll put 1/x means 2/x plus 5/y is equal to, अगर यहाँ हमने days denominator में लिए तो ये days भी क्या आएंगे? In the denominator. So this will be our first equation. Second will be 3x plus 6/y is equal to 1/3. So these will be the 2 equations. Now we will solve them by reducing them into other variables, as you know, because the variables are in the denominator. So we know how to do these equations. We'll put 1/x is equal to a and 1/b is equal to 1/y is equal to b, right? And this will be our first equation. So put कर देते हैं. The remaining terms will remain in the numerator or denominator. 2 numerator में will write in numerator और यहाँ पर 1 लगा सकते हैं हम. So 1/x will be written as a plus यहाँ 1 लगा सकते हैं. 5b is equal to 1/4. This will be our first equation. सेकेंड क्या आ जाएगी? 3a. सेकेंड विल बी 3a plus 6b is equal to 1/3. Now you know how to solve it. You know the elimination method. Let us reduce them. And remember, we can't reduce by 3. Dear students, ये न्यूमरेटर की टर्म्स हैं, ये डिनोमिनेटर में है. तो वी कांट कैंसल देम. आई नो दीज आर द मल्टीपल्स, बट अगर तीनों न्यूमरेटर में होते तभी हम रिड्यूस कर पाते हैं. सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व देम बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, here to by using elimination method, what we will do, we will cross multiply. We have multiplied first equation by 3, second by 2. So we'll get this 15 minus 12 3b, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. This is the fraction, so we'll take the LCM. So LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 9 minus 8 is 1 by 12. Cross multiply करके 3 नीचे, so we'll get b is equal to 1 by 36. Now put the value of b in second equation here. In this 2a plus 5b, 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4. So 2a is equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Take the LCM. By reducing them in simplest form, we'll get a is equal to 1 by 18. Now you know we have to calculate x and y. So we'll put the values of a and b back in equation 1 from the point where we have started them. So by putting them like this and by reciprocating, we'll get x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. So at the end, write the answer. Time taken by one woman is equal to 18 days and time taken by one man is equal to 36 days. Means अगर अकेला इंसान करेगा तो ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा था, जबकि जब वो मिलके कर रहे थे they took only 4 and 3 days. So in this way you have to solve this question. So I hope the concept is clear to you, and the question is very, very important from the point of view of board exams also, as well as from the point of view of competitive exams. So remember this thing. So this is very, very important, especially this part I explained you why we have taken them in denominator. So